How to make money on drip. Blockchain has brought with it some major advancements in technology and has even created some impressive opportunities for people to make money, including cryptocurrency investing and day trading. One new way of making money that has come up as a result of the blockchain technology is the Drip token network. The Drip token network, famously known as Drip, was officially launched in April of 2021 by Forex Shark. Since then, Drip token network's price has grown, with its prices expected to even grow much more as many other Drip projects are released. You may be asking yourself, how exactly do I make money from this Drip? Well, we are here to tell you all you need to know about Drip and how to make money from it, so make sure you stick till the end of the video to find out everything. Before we continue, I want to quickly say that this is not financial advice, and please consult your financial advisor to associate the risk involved. This video is made purely for entertainment purposes. Without any further ado, let's continue with the video. To begin off, you need to know that Drip is a cryptocurrency that gives its investors a 1% return on a daily basis. It may sound too good to be true, but it actually does. This means that if you put in an initial deposit of $2,000, you will get 1% of the $2,000 every day for the next 365 days of the year. What makes it even much better is the fact that once you put in the initial deposit, everything is just automatic and there's not any additional effort required from you to get your daily 1%. The money just drips into your Drip account. Before you go on jumping to put your money into the Drip token network, I want to quickly remind you of something that you should consider on a personal level. First of all, your initial deposit added into your Drip account can never be accessed by you again. Which means, if you put in your $2,000, you can never get it back, but instead, your 1% daily earnings will be added into your Drip account, and from there you can always get access to your earnings. Now, Drip being something that can add some additional money in your pocket passively can be something very powerful if you can use it correctly. If you have been in the investment game for a while now, you may be familiar with the eighth wonder of the world, known as the compounding effect. Many financial experts have always recommended using the power of compounding in your favor to help you grow your money even more for the long term. The good thing is that the power of compounding can be very effective when you want to get optimum results from the Drip network. Let me explain. When you get your daily 1% return on your initial deposit on Drip, and instead of withdrawing it, you let it stay for the next 365 days, your initial deposit will give you returns of up to 3,678% per annum. Meaning, if you put in $1,000 as your initial deposit on Drip, your return on investment after 365 days will be a total of $36,780. When you keep taxes in mind, the Drip investments, when held for a year, will only incur 5% tax, and therefore your return on investment will be around $34,941. Just like any other investment, Drip network can be very volatile and its prices may always go up and down often, so make sure you are safe. You can use the popular technique known as dollar cost averaging so that you can be protected from buying Drip when its prices are high, and you can also benefit from when the prices are low. For those of you who are not quite familiar with dollar cost averaging, the technique works this way. When you have $100 to invest on the Drip network, instead of pouring it all at once in a single month, leading you to only buying it at one set price, you can decide to buy Drip for $25 each for the first month, then buy Drip $45 each for the second month, and then in the third month you can buy Drip for $30 each. When you look at the 3 months you have bought Drip, you will have bought it at an average price instead of one whole lump sum of $100. With that being said, it's time to end our video. Would you consider making money on Drip? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing videos like this.